Hello and welcome back to our channel where we explore ways to live a more frugal lifestyle. In today's video, we're going to share with you the top 10 frugal living tips for saving money effectively. So if you're ready to tighten those purse strings and boost your savings, keep watching. Tip number 1. Cook at home. Cooking at home can be one of the best ways to save money. Eating out can be expensive, and it can also be difficult to know exactly what ingredients are being used. Cooking at home is not only cheaper, but also healthier, and it can be a fun activity to do with family or friends. Try planning out your meals for the week, shopping for ingredients in advance, and experimenting with new recipes. Tip number 2. Cut out unnecessary subscriptions. Subscriptions can add up quickly, and you may not even realize how much you're spending each month on services you don't use. Take some time to go through your subscriptions and cancel those that you no longer need or use. This could include things like gym memberships, streaming services, or magazine subscriptions. Tip number 3. Buy generic brands. Generic brands are often just as good as their more expensive counterparts. Try purchasing generic or store brand items at the grocery store or pharmacy. You might be surprised at the quality of the products and the amount of money you can save. Tip number 4. Shop secondhand shopping. Secondhand is a great way to save money and reduce waste. Check out thrift stores, consignment shops, and online marketplaces like eBay and Craigslist for deals on everything from clothing to furniture. Not only will you save money, but you'll also be doing your part to reduce your environmental impact. Tip number 5. Use cashback apps. Cashback apps like Ibotta, Rakuten, and Honey can help you save money on everyday purchases. These apps offer cashback or discounts on items at a variety of stores and retailers. Simply download the app, search for the store you plan to shop at, and start earning cashback on your purchases. Tip number 6. Buy in bulk. Buying in bulk can be a great way to save money on groceries and household essentials. Look for bulk options at your local grocery store, or consider shopping at wholesale stores like Costco or Sam's Club. You can save money on items like rice, beans, pasta, canned goods, and even toiletries. Just make sure to check the unit price to ensure you're getting the best deal. And if you have limited storage space, consider splitting bulk purchases with friends or family members to avoid waste. Tip number 7. Cut back on energy usage. Reducing your energy usage can lead to significant savings on your utility bills. Some easy ways to cut back include turning off lights when you leave a room, unplugging electronics when they're not in use, and adjusting your thermostat to conserve energy. You might also consider investing in energy-efficient appliances or upgrading your insulation to further reduce your energy usage. Tip number 8. Use public transportation. If you live in an area with reliable public transportation, consider ditching your car and using buses, trains, or subways instead. Public transportation can be much cheaper than owning a car, and it's also better for the environment. Plus, you can use your commute time to catch up on reading, podcasts, or work. Tip number 9. DIY whenever possible. DIYing can be a great way to save money on everything from home repairs to cleaning products. There are plenty of resources online for learning how to tackle DIY projects, and you might even find that you enjoy the process. Plus, by doing things yourself, you'll have a greater sense of satisfaction and accomplishment. Tip number 10. Don't be afraid to negotiate. Negotiating can be a powerful tool for saving money. Whether you're haggling at a flea market or negotiating a better deal on your cable bill, don't be afraid to speak up and ask for a better price. You might be surprised at how much money you can save simply by being a savvy negotiator. And there you have it, our top 10 frugal living tips for saving money effectively. Which of these tips are you going to try out? Let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more frugal living tips and tricks.